Ever had one of those moments where you are juggling a crying baby, a ringing phone, and a pot of milk that's about to boil over? Now imagine adding an unexpected pregnancy to that mix. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Fatima, a clinical pharmacologist and an expert coach in pregnancy and parenting. Welcome to our channel 9 Mantras and thanks for being part of our mission to educate million moms and moms to be. I'll tell you some real stories. Meena, a new mom, thought breastfeeding was a natural contraceptive. 3 months later, surprise baby number 2 is on the way. Or take Ritu and Neetu, who decided to see what happens after their wedding. Twins happened. Now they are drowning in diapers and baby formula. These aren't just stories. They are the reality for many people who didn't realize how crucial contraception is, especially after having a baby. Did you know that you can ovulate as early as 3 weeks postpartum even if you haven't had a period yet? So, whether you're looking to put some space between your kids or you're done with your baby making, stick around. We are about to dive into the world of contraception, from methods that fit into your busy parent life to the options that let you enjoy your intimacy without taking stress. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with knowledge to make best choices for you and your family. Are you ready to take control of your fertility and family planning? Then first, let's know what are the contraceptive methods available. First, barrier methods. Condoms. These are classic. They are not just for preventing sexually transmitted infections. Diaphragms and cervical caps. Less common but still effective. Now coming to hormonal methods. Pills. A daily commitment but highly effective when you use them correctly. Patches and rings, weekly or monthly options for those who might forget daily pills. Injections, get it and forget it for few months. Now let's discuss on long-acting reversible contraception. IUDs, tiny T-shaped devices that pack a powerful punch against pregnancy. Implants, a little rod in your arm that works for years. Science is cool, right? So natural methods. Fertility awareness is very important. It's like becoming a detective for your own body. Withdrawal methods. It's a risky business, folks, and not recommended as a primary method. And there are also some permanent methods like sterilization. For when you're sure that you don't want to make any babies, then you can definitely opt for permanent methods of contraception. It's time to burst some interesting myths or misconceptions on this topic. The pill make you gain weight. The truth is, studies show no direct link between pill and weight gain. You can't get pregnant while breastfeeding. While breastfeeding can suppress ovulation, it's not foolproof contraception. Condoms never fail. They are great, but user errors do happen, so learn how to use them correctly. IUDs are only for women who had children. IUDs are safe and effective for most women regardless of childbearing history. Taking a break from hormonal contraception is necessary. There is no medical need for contraception break unless advised by your doctor. Now, the most awaiting part of this video. What's the best contraception after delivery? So, you have got a baby and you're thinking, what now? Let me help you out. Progestin only methods, safe for breastfeeding moms. This includes mini pills, implants, and some IUDs. Non-hormonal IUDs like copper T is a hormone-free and can be inserted right after your delivery. Condoms are best option if you wanted to avoid hormones altogether. Remember, what works best depends on your individual needs, health, and preferences. Always consult your doctor before opting for something. Contraception is about finding what works for you, your body, and your lifestyle. Don't be afraid to ask questions and do your own research because your sexual health is important. We would love to hear about your thoughts on contraception. Drop in comments if you have got any questions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content like this. Now it's time to answer a few interesting questions. Can I get pregnant from pre-cum? Yes, you can. Pre-ejaculate or pre-cum is a clear fluid released during sexual arousal. While it doesn't contain sperm when first produced, it can pick up leftover sperm in the urethra from previous ejaculation. Studies have found live sperm in pre-cum samples from some men. The risk varies, but one study found mobile sperm in 37% of pre-ejaculate samples. Even a single sperm can potentially fertilize an egg. This is why withdrawal method isn't considered reliable contraception. Does the pill affect your fertility in future? Good news is it doesn't. The hormones in birth control pills are cleared from your body relatively quickly after you stop taking them. The pill works by suppressing ovulation and thickening the cervical mucus. Once you stop taking, your body resumes to its natural hormonal cycles. Some women might experience a temporary delay in returning to their fertility, but long term studies show no difference in pregnancy rates between former pill users and those who never used any hormonal contraception. Can you use two condoms for extra protection? Ironically, using two condoms can decrease protection. This practice is known as double backing. Actually increases the friction between the condoms, making them more likely to break or slip off. One properly used condom is all you need. If you are concerned about effectiveness, consider combining condoms with another method like pill or an IUD. That's it guys, all you need to know on contraception methods. Hope this video gave you some insights and broke misconceptions that you have been hearing on this topic. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And remember, your support helps us create more content like this. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.